They're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Whatever. Oh boy, what is this?
There it is.
There it is indeed. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a chart. Yay! Here, instructions.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We're gonna remove it. Yay! And there you go.
Turn it on.
How do I turn it on? Oh, it folds.
Yeah, I know. That's why it's... Press, show it. Yeah, turning it on.
Well then. Interesting. It's just a bit smaller than an iPad mini.
Yes, exactly.
I know, because I could hold my iPad mini like this.
Yeah, show it, show it.
Let's go.
Okay, wait, okay, wait. Wait. And we're done. So this is just a preview or a demo how powerful this device is. Everything works.
LA is a place I want to be. They do a great job of,
Daddy, uploading.
Yes.
Do the video.
Yeah.
Okay. We got Twitter on. I think I'll just edit something. Create a movie. Save. The upload is still ongoing. Creating a movie while uploading something on Google Drive. Checking my Facebook.
Hey, Nuggets fans. Glad to be back, baby. Glad to be back. This haircut.
And
I was shocked
this
by this
hater.
announcement. All right, guys.
Keep hater.
Sean, did they did it or he did it? LeBron.
He did it.
Oh, okay.
All of a sudden, It's the beginning of the end to me. All of a sudden, I see LeBron's exit strategy, and truly, from my heart,
Yeah, shut up, Skip.
it made me a little.
And edit is on. It's done. Google Drive still uploading. Okay. Yeah, it's a long video, so it'll take time. Anyway, it's just a demo of what the capability of this device is. Okay. See you later, alligator.